Okay, we're here with John Wadeson, who was formerly the CIO at Centrelink, but now there's a new role. Can you tell us a little bit about your new role, John?
Yes, I have the infrastructure group of the Department of Human Services, which brings together the infrastructure from Centrelink, Medicare Australia, and the child support system itself. Yeah.
So, John, how is the integration effort going so far between those agencies?
Well, we've done some simple things. We now have one phone book. I have brought together the infrastructure staff, so I'm now sort of got a big team of people. The one web, one phone, you're quite right. We did a pilot for the budget, but towards the end of the year we think we're going to have something really pretty special to do there. And of course the co-location of offices, which we've got to make sure once they do co-locate, that everyone can access all the systems they need. So that's sort of the big this year agenda, but in the background, of course, we're planning for what you might call the real heavy work of integration.
Are there any political hurdles to integration? Would, for example, a Rudd government need to be re-elected in order for it to go ahead?
Look, as a public servant, I've never comment on political agendas. I don't think it's appropriate for me to make any remarks. All I know is that we work for the government of the day, and that at the minute, therefore, we are putting this together.
What does it mean for the 2,650 IT staff across human services, this integration?
It's been interesting. We've been doing some surveying. Big change for many people. Everyone's had a change of role. Not easy to do, but my view of them is what they really want to do is get on with it. The planning's long and slow, and some people think that, I don't get anyone coming and saying this is a bad idea. People understand this is going to happen, and I think they're pretty geared up about it, actually.
Okay, what's the next 12 months hold for you then? What are the first cabs off the rank, so to speak?
We have these deliverables for the end of this year. We've brought our group together. For the next 6 months, what I'll be mainly engaged in, apart from having, of course, to deliver on business as usual, but we need to do the planning for the heavy lifting of the integration itself, or the transition is a better word, and as well as combining that with the data centre and the virtualisation program. That's a lot of planning.